In today's episode, we find hella hose, an E30 M3, an S54, and radiator mounts, along with some other couple things. Let's check out this E30 M3. So this E30 M3 is out in Denver, Colorado. One of my friends went and checked it out for us, and it's going to be shipped over here shortly. Pretty excited. E30 M3 with an S54, fantastic. So I showed a clip of the engine, or I will show a clip of the engine. Quick look over, looks pretty good. Apparently it already has some work done to it, some certain things that we'll already need for the swap. Currently shielding the spark plug wires from the header. Might need to do some additional length on here for these like further up cords, but seems to take a lot of the direct heat off or radiant heat off of most of the plug wires, which is nice. We'll see how they handle. They had decent reviews for the price, but not super worried. Just one more small thing we can take off the list. Hell yeah, brother. Alright, I realize I'm probably a dumbass for attempting this because my vise is not mounted, but we're going to try and do an AN fitting real quick and cut it with these new vibrant shears. This is probably a terrible idea, but you know. Pretty solid cut, pretty straight. So this will be the first bend for our surge tank. So we have our handy dandy fitting, and how this basically works is you have the 3D printed shell, your hose end and here, and then you put it in like here, what am I talking about, like this. No. So next fun step is inserting this into this tube. We got my intern working on the truck, you know, doing a brake swap on it.
Come on,
we love Aaron. Aaron, well, say what's up.
What's up, everybody?
Introduce yourself.
I am Aaron Shank, one of Rob's friends, originating from Cool and Handsome.
Oof.
Here doing a brake job on the truck.
Shout out Cool and Handsome.
Shout out Cool and Handsome. Rip in peace.
Thought you were gonna like get a close-up action shot and shit, and you're just like there.
We are now gonna make some radiator mounts for the car. Some real custom shit.
With a mounted vise now? Yo, finally, that's crazy.
For the first. That's pretty neat though.
One to like fold it up like that, and then the other to fold it back.
Yeah, absolutely. I
think one more.
Yeah, probably one more is best.
Should be good.
So, we have our radiator mounts right here. Simple, less than $10. So, I mean, if you're trying to mount a radiator in your sweet E30 drift car,
show us how it fits.
So,
damn, bro, that's
very good.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
Sure fits me to the edge of
Custom.
Stop moving up.
Yeah. Satisfying, right?
Very clean.
Surprisingly affordable at only $50. Vibrant shit. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't swear, but vibrant stuff.
Mama would be
So-
mad.
We need a light.
Yeah, you can't see shit. Black
Yeah.
on black on black on.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what?
A genius.
Sketchy, but okay. Alright, so let's see if our hose fits.
I think it will.
So Phoenix down here.
Holy fuck, that was a long ass race, dude.
That was long. Where was that? Like a half mile?
No, dude, that's just me. We're on the highway. We're just doing highway pulls. That was R32 I was up against. He's pretty fast.
Your
Like, I had
mom's
this game on my phone for like probably about 5 years.
Your mom's pretty fast.
Can you line up that side and put the bolt in?
No! Listen, no. Just like I did in the last one. I wanna come back.
Just a couple threads is fine, or
Yeah. You get on this side, you good?
yeah.
Damn it.
Alright.
So that'll connect
Should
with
look like that.
yeah. So that'll be our
You got your
turn to
fingers
the main
on
tank.
it.
Yeah. So that is we got the negative 10 or it's dash 10 feet from tank to the bottom, and then return to the tank on the top as well. And then we need return from regulator on that side, and then we have our side out from the pump with the filter. Bet.
Is that what the 90 is for? Or is you just gonna do 90 from there to the filter to the pump to 90 to the filter?
Yeah.
It's gonna look clean.
Yeah. So. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. I'm not your boss. Peace.